an introduction of using exponents with 10 as the base number and how to name numbers using that. So first off, an exponent is this little number at the top, and the big number is called the base. So this one would be known as 8 to the 5th power, or sometimes called 8 to the power of 5. And what this means is you're going to take 8 and multiply it by itself 5 times. So 8 times 8 times 8 times 8. For this exercise, we're just going to use tens, because what we're working on today only works with base 10, a base of 10. So 10 to the first power here would be just 110, that's what the exponent's telling us, which would equal 10. So I'm going to fill out this chart really quick, and you're going to see that there's a pattern develop. So 10 to the second power would mean not 10 times 2, but 10 times 10, twice. Okay, that equals 100. Then you have 10 to the third power, which means 10 times 10 times 10 3 times, which is 1,000. 10 to the fourth power is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10,000. And then 10 to the fifth power, you can see the pattern there. Okay, what I want you to notice, though, is the exponent is actually telling you how many zeros are going to be in your answer. So 10 to the second power would just be a 1 with 2 zeros. 10 to the fourth power would be a 1 with 4 zeros. So what we're learning today is how do we do a problem like this? Well, we just got done doing a lesson called multiplying and dividing using powers of 10. So we learned already what 3 times, say, 1,000 would be. Well, today we're going to take a look at this and take that skill to the next level. So 10 to the second power means 1 with 2 zeros. So 10 to the second power is another way of saying 100. So we're, in this instance, going to take 3 times 100, which is 300. However, there is a shortcut that is extremely simple. So if you take a look at this shortcut, you can do any of these easily in your head. So the 3 would just go down here because it's 3 times 1. And then the exponent is just telling you how many zeros to add after that number. So 3 times 10 to the second power just means put down a 3 and put down 2 zeros. That's another way of saying 300. So here I have 8 times 10 to the fourth power. So what this means is 8 times 1 is 8. And then the exponent's telling us how many zeros to put down. So we'd put down 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. And of course we put our commas in. So 8 times 10 to the fourth power is another way of saying 80,000. That's how you do exponents and naming numbers, which actually you can see is actually quite simple to do.